Crypto and AI 2024. Where do we go from here? I just saw this clip earlier today on the news as I was doing some research, and this guy I thought gave a very good explanation of the times that we're potentially in. I'm going to do a quick volume check and make sure we have volume. So testing. Hopefully it is going. See here, real quick. Check. All right. Click here. Connect. Okay. See what happens. Okay, here we go. And I'll play it. Here we go.
I mean, we can look at it in the phone business and kind of say that we're already there, right? But I understand maybe this is even more powerful than the phone business. Are we like in the 1996 internet moment when people are just starting to realize that how big it can be, or where are we?
I think we're in probably 94, like AOL just come online and you got this thing called www dot something and email. I don't think AI is going to become embedded in every aspect of our lives. It's going to be our healthcare, our education. It's going to be flying us, driving us. It's going to be the speed of change is what I think people are not really ready for. I had Elon on stage a few months ago, and he's saying we have a 10x increase every 6 months or a 100x increase in capability every year. And we've been talking about human-level AI, this thing called AGI, whatever it means. And we'll have that in the next year, maybe 2 years. And then what is digital superintelligence? What does it look like when AI is 1,000 or 1,000,000 times more powerful?
You say... Oh.
So I'm going to rewind it and play a couple things. He said a lot in that sentence right there. So I'm gonna.
I mean, we can look at it in the phone business and kind of say that we're already there, right? But I understand maybe this is even more powerful than the phone business. Are we?
So one thing they're saying that AI is more powerful than the phone business. So look how big the phone business is. The entire phone business. That's huge. Listen.
Are we like in the 1996?
So he's suggesting, are we like in that 1996 era?
Internet?
When the internet... See, at that time, the internet... A lot of people were just finding out about it. Matter of fact, I personally got on the internet right around 2000. So I was a little bit behind these folks.
When people are just starting to realize that how big it can be, or where are we?
And see, some people, even then, they were saying, how big is this internet thing going to be? But they were realizing how big. Look at how big the internet is. But back in 1996, nobody really knew. I mean, except for the people that was into it. So really can kind of get you thinking. And they're saying AI and the trades and the stuff that the money involved, the investments is going to be bananas. So.
I think we're in probably 94, like AOL has just come online and you got this thing called www dot something and email. I don't think...
So AI compared to 1994, what he's saying is that he feels like the times that we're currently in is when AOL just came about, people just got an AOL account and they got email. Remember how far back that sounds? That is what he's saying where we're at right now in terms of the AI trade.
I think AI is going to become embedded in every aspect of our lives. It's going to be our healthcare, our education. It's going to be flying us, driving us. It's going to...
That is so important. All these things, it's going to be embedded, just like the phone is embedded in everybody's lives, just like the internet is embedded in everyone's lives. AI will be embedded in everyone's lives. And if you're an investor or a trader, not financial advice, it is a sector for us to consider.
the speed of change is what I think people are not really ready for. I had to.
Oh, this is important. The speed of change. And he's going to break it down for us right now. Most people are not prepared and cannot even imagine the speed of change that is going to be happening.
On stage a few months ago, and he's saying we have a 10x increase every 6 months or a 100x increase in capability every year. And we've been talking about human level AI, this thing called AGI, whatever
Human level
means. And we'll have that in the next year, maybe 2 years. And then what is digital superintelligence? What is
remember that term, digital super intelligence.
does it look like when AI is 1,000 or 1,000,000 times more powerful?
1,000 or 1,000,000 times powerful than it is today.
And you say,
So, with that in mind, let's flip over to our CoinGecko website. It's a free website. Just hop over to CoinGecko. And remember, y'all, I'm just sharing this with you because I am a member of the IM Academy. I'm an independent representative of the IM Academy. Some of these basic things I'm even aware of is because I've been around the educators, and I'm sharing it with you in hopes that I'm going to find someone that's interested enough that wants to pursue this search and join us in the IM Academy and join our family, because it is home. It is home. So this is a free website right here. You can just type into your browser coingecko.com, just like it sounds, coingecko.com. This is where you're going to list out all right across the top here. It gives you all the basic information: coins, exchanges, market cap. Okay, so this is now. I want you to scroll down a little bit. We're going to look at the categories, right? Pulling up now in all the cryptocurrencies, out of all the 14,000 now cryptocurrencies, we have over 200 different categories. So each coins kind of fall into a category. There is a category ranked about number 20th by market cap. These are the rankings by market cap, right? See this right here, market cap, right? That's how much money is in that category. This is the one I want to bring your attention to right now is AI, artificial intelligence. It's the 20th category right now, and for me, I'm just trying to learn as much as I can, as fast as I can. I'm trying to increase my cash flow so I can put as much money in investments. Oops, dropped my water bottle. Put as much money into this sector, right? So right now, artificial intelligence ranks the 20th sector, and by market cap, it's about 21 billion almost 21.6 billion almost, right, market cap. So that's going to be interesting. Where is that going to be 20 years from now? This AI market cap? It's not financial advice, but I have my beliefs, and it's going to be a lot more than what it is today. So but how do you know what to buy in? Well, CoinGecko really helps us break down. Let's just click the category. Now these are, when you click the category, it lists all the coins that are AI related coins. It automatically does it for you. Now the ones that I have starred over here are the ones that I'm personally checking out, digging into, right? Getting more information. Some of them I'm already invested into. Render I'm into. The Graph, Fetch. Those are the main ones here that I'm into right now. Fetch, the Graph, Render, right? And working my way towards more, right? But that's the thing. This whole category is full of opportunity, but some things are going to go out of business. Some things are going to grow, right? So how do you know which ones to be into? Well, my experience is just to be around the professionals, right? And inside the IM Academy, we have over 60 different educators that they have classes Monday through Sunday, and you can join their classes, ask live questions, really get you started. Whether you're the most beginner person or the most advanced person, there's room for you here, right? So this is the category for top artificial intelligence coins by market cap. If you have any questions on that, we'll probably do some deep dives on them later. But I'm gonna wrap up this video by looking at Bitcoin and where it's at for beginners. But this is Bitcoin on the 1 hour time frame, and this is the zone. So I'm waiting to see. It's testing a zone right now. If it goes below this zone, then we may lose this support. But right now I'm watching it to see how we do. So I'm hoping that we'll hold this zone and push up, but there is a chance that we could break it. And if we do break it, I'm currently in a long position, not financial advice, but if we break this and close below, I'm more than likely going to exit that position. But we'll see. We're testing a zone. It's really looking interesting right here. Right, this is on the 1 hour time frame. This is on the 15-minute time frame. Each candle was a 1 minute, so you can or 15-minute, so you can really see we're testing that. This is look at levels. Let's zoom out. Let's zoom out to the weekly time frame just for one last look at Bitcoin. This is really fascinating. So we're gonna see what happens. This is a weekly chart. Anything can happen in this market, but that's why I really like to watch Swipe Coin, because it just brings personally for all of us, but for me, I feel like it level by level, and that way I'm not just getting lost in the market. But this is where we're at on the short-term time frame. This is a look at on the weekly time frame. But look at where we're at right now. It's doing so amazing. I mean, look at where we've come from, right? So now we're at about 64,100-ish for each Bitcoin. And that's the thing. One thing to remember is that you don't have to buy a whole Bitcoin. You can buy 0.05 of a Bitcoin, and you just divide, do your math, and that's what you figure. So I'll do it real quick with you. Say it's the price of Bitcoin is 64,162. Let's just say so 64,162 times 0.05. That's $3,000 worth. Maybe you don't want to spend $3,000 worth. How about 0.005? It's $300, $320. Not financial advice, but that's the thing. I don't think a lot of people understand that. You don't have to buy an entire Bitcoin. There's not many people that can do that. But you can buy maybe 0.005 of a Bitcoin. Maybe you can $320. But you don't even have to do that. I mean, they really devise it down to even the smallest amount. But say you did 0.0005. So take the price of Bitcoin that it is. This is a beginner exercise. Multiply it times 0.0005, and you should get $32.08, about 32.081, depending how they round it out. You can buy $32. You can buy $10 worth of Bitcoin. So that's the thing. So don't be thinking that you have to buy a whole. When an asset like this costs that much, you can devise it up, and that goes the same with all of them. Okay, but so don't let the price thing overwhelm you, or get you away from something that you could be doing for yourself, right? So remember that the prices can be divisible, right? So you can buy 0.00001 of this asset, right? Very, very simple. All right, well, that's it right now. And remember, consider getting into the academy, because right now I feel like we were really early. With hard work and dedication, If this is something that you want to get better at, you can apply yourself. And we have a lot of support. Consider joining us. We're a family. There's a lot of support. If you have any questions about the Academy that you want to get addressed, my number's inside the description of the video. Just send me a message. Let's connect. But let's rock on this right now. It's time to rock and roll and get something going, right? And I'll leave you with this on my YouTube channel. I have this is my YouTube channel, and I'm kind of branding all my social media this way now. But remember that health is wealth. Cash flow is king. Cash is queen, and credit is freedom. Think about that. Health is wealth. Without our health, what do we have, right? Not much. Our health, I feel like our health is wealth. Cash flow is king. I had a mentor that kind of taught me a little bit different. We used to always say cash is king. Well, how about cash flow is king? So we want to have that cash flow, that money coming in, right? So health is wealth. Cash flow is king. Cash is queen. And credit is freedom. Think about it. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.